Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Begin by opening the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the RI tile to access the module. By default, you will land on the Demo Approval tab. Here, you can view all demo audits grouped under categories: approved, rejected, pending. You can also filter the list by store. You can click on the audits to view their details. To review a pending audit, tap on the respective entry from the list. You will now see the Review Demo Audit Details screen showing all the details. In Add Reason, enter your remarks for the audit decision. Click on Approve or Reject button. A confirmation message will appear showing that the audit has been successfully approved or rejected. For MES audits, switch to the MES tab from the top menu. Here, you can view all MES audits grouped under categories: approved, rejected, and pending. You can also filter the list by store using the Select Store dropdown. Click on the audit to open. You will now see the MES Audit Review screen showing the audit question, the provided answers. Enter your remarks for the audit decision. Tap on the Approve or Reject button based on your evaluation. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the MES audit has been successfully approved or rejected. That's it. You've now learned how to review, approve, or reject audits in the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.